y'all, what it do? Welcome back to my channel. So clearly, as you can see, it's wash day. My hair really needs to be washed. It is looking a hurt mess. And I just got back from the store and I went out like this and just no bra on and didn't even care. And I feel like I should probably care, but I don't. Anyways, y'all already know what it is. I'm here with more Shea Moisture products. I'm going to be washing my hair with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. This has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. And the coconut and hibiscus curl and shine conditioner with silk protein and neem oil. I'm trying to get these straight when I show them, because in all my videos I can't like get it straight. So anyways, hopefully that's straight. So I'm going to be using these for my shampoo and conditioner, and then I'll come back with a couple other styling products that I'm going to use from Shea Moisture as well that weren't included in this month's box. These were the two in this month's box. But yeah, and I think I'm going to do a roller set today. So we'll see how that goes. Be back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I used the Jamaican Castor Oil Shampoo and the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner in the shower. The shampoo smells really good. I don't know if it's the peppermint in it. And it's just like a basic shampoo. I mean, it's, yeah, like I've talked about other shampoos. It's nothing too exciting, but it's not bad by any means. The conditioner. So when I put it in my hair, I was like, oh no, I don't like it. But then I started brushing my hair. I was detangling in the shower, and I was like, wait a minute. And my hair felt really good with it in, and it detangled easy, and it just felt super good with it in. So I used that, and then I used the high porosity hair conditioning mask. I don't have the mask. It's this line, the Magongo and hemp seed oiled high porosity one, and it's their hair mask or their deep conditioner. I use that in the shower as well. Got out of the shower, towel dried my hair, which I normally never do because I want all the water in my hair, but I was putting these rollers in and I wanted my hair pretty much dry, otherwise these would take forever to dry and I want them done by tonight. So I did that, and then I just sprayed the styler, the Miracle Styler. I sprayed some of that in my hair, just like I did like 6 pumps per half of my head. And then I did a few pumps of this as well because I told y'all I use conditioners leave-in. So I did a couple pumps of that, just rubbed it into my hair, and then I also put some of the high porosity. This was not part of my box, but just the oil that I have, the high porosity moisture seal elixir. Sprayed some of that in my hair, and that was it. So then I started putting it in rollers. This is my last section to do. It's basically almost dry just because of the time it's taken me. So these are jumbo rollers, and the reason I'm doing jumbo is because, well, the curls are bigger and looser, first of all, but for me it was mostly because of drying time. So my hair is long, and if I were to do the smaller rollers, it would mean more hair being rolled in the roller, and it would just take forever to dry. So I chose the jumbo. There's like small, regular, I think there's even large jumbo. There's all sizes of rollers, but these are the big daddies, the 3-inchers. So yeah. And then I just parted my hair. I have 12 rollers. This is about to be the 12th one. And roll them all up. It was a struggle to get my hair in rollers. So anyways, I'm gonna brush this section out. You want your tips wet, and that's about it. And I'm using the brush that Shea Moisture sent me as well, just to smooth the hair out. Okay, so once you smooth your hair out, you're going to take your roller and slide it down to the end, wrap the ends around, and this is the only part that really needs to be super wet because you don't want just a bundle of like curls at the bottom. So spray those, and then I'm gonna brush them flat onto the roller. And then pull down as I roll up. And roll it in tight. See all these little hairs? I just like cannot get them into the roller. Anyways, you're gonna take the rolling pins and then pin your hair on. Boom. So we'll see how these turn out. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be a fail, but either way, it will be fine because my hair will be stretched, and that's really what I wanted. Well, I don't really know actually. I was just like, let me try rollers. And my hair needs to be trimmed, so it's snagging a lot at the bottom, so this will be nice just to have it stretched out for the week until I take time to trim it. So yeah, I'm gonna let this dry. I have a few things to do around the house, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I had to sleep in those stupid rollers. I tried to take one out in the evening and my hair was still wet. And even this morning, like, they could have stayed in a little bit longer. Some of them were still a little damp, so that's why my hair, I think, is so big, but whatever, it's a blown out look. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna have to attempt a roller set again. But yeah, my hair feels good, feels soft. I enjoyed the shampoo and conditioner, and then the lineup of Shea Moisture products I used in my hair. Again, I'll say they weren't like amazing. I liked the other coconut conditioner I used in my other video. I think I like this one better. And I'm excited to try more products because I still haven't found my go-to shampoo yet. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It is Easter. I'm about to leave to church like right now, otherwise I'm gonna be late. So thanks for watching. Happy Easter, even though I probably won't post this on Easter. So yeah, see you in my next video.